Thank you everyone for joining us. We're excited to share with you some truly game-changing new updates to the SolarWinds platform, as well as some insights for how you can use your existing SolarWinds tools to their fullest potential.
Earlier this year, we introduced the era of operational resilience. We talked about how modern IT environments are complex, distributed, and fragile. And we explained why resilience isn't just about uptime. It's about leaving yourself enough space to quickly adapt to change and recover from problems faster.
We shared a host of new features and explored how systems theory can help you identify weaknesses before they become crises. Many of you joined us at our SolarWinds World Tour events, where we showcased those capabilities and collected your feedback. Thank you for meeting us in person and sharing your great stories.
We also published our annual IT Trends Report, this year on the state of operational resilience. We asked hundreds of IT leaders to rate their organization's resilience, and the vast majority rated it highly. Yet in the same breath, nearly half admitted to experiencing significant unplanned outages. This isn't just a data point, it's a paradox. It's a resilience gap between where we think we are and where the real world proves we are.
Today, we're going to show you how we help close that gap. We're excited to explore the next chapter of this journey as we look toward a future of autonomous operational resilience, a world where technology does more of the heavy lifting. In this future, your systems will unify vast amounts of data automatically, provide your teams with proactive insights and clarity, and drive more automated responses.
Your teams can stop spending all their time reacting to the next crisis and instead move the business forward. We'll also talk about how SolarWinds AI helps customers become even more operationally resilient and how we move together to an even stronger future.
Now, we've been in the monitoring and observability space for more than 25 years. SolarWinds solutions sit the closest to your critical infrastructure, helping you keep your systems online and your customers happy. In that time, we've had the opportunity to share experiences with thousands of professionals like you. We've seen the best of the best in IT operations, and we know what it takes to be truly operationally resilient. It's those years of experience that power SolarWinds AI. So, to illustrate, let's walk through a realistic scenario and how SolarWinds AI helps.
Imagine, it's 2 p.m. on a Saturday. Your mission-critical e-commerce application starts to slow down. Your customers struggle to access anything. Teams are panicking, and your monitoring tools are firing hundreds of alerts across the network, application, database, and cloud. Luckily, our AI anomaly detection has been learning your system's normal behavior. When response times spike, it flags the deviation immediately. Within seconds, an alert is generated and sent to our incident response platform. Without intelligence, hundreds of alerts would ping individual teams with no context. Instead, you stream them into our new incident response solution. Intelligent alert grouping clusters related alerts together, and noise suppression collapses dozens of downstream alarms into a single incident. The on-call SRE team is paged and uses similar past incidents to see if this problem has happened before. An incident summary is automatically created for stakeholders. So far, no one knows the root cause. It could be the network, the application, or something else. The team opens SolarWinds Observability and leverages AI Root Cause Assist. By correlating alerts, anomalies, and events, it identifies that the network is exhibiting abnormal latency and packet loss. The network engineering team is tagged within the incident response tool, triggering the on-call management and escalation workflows to bring the team online. The SRE team triages with the network engineers and hands off the incident. While the network engineers dig in, the service desk is overwhelmed with tickets from employees and customers. AI category recommendations classify tickets, AI sentiment analysis highlights the most frustrated users, and AI smart suggestions and AI-guided solutions help frontline support staff respond quickly. The service desk team launches an escalation runbook, which prompts them to check for active outages. They review the internal status pages, see that the network is under repair, and link similar tickets so they can close them all at once when the issue is resolved. During the repair, engineers discover that the network issue originated in the database. A poorly optimized query consumed too much bandwidth, causing the network to saturate. The database team uses anomaly detection to identify the offending workload and AI Query Assist to recommend a more efficient query. They decide to upgrade the hardware for future scale and log a change management record in the service desk. Once the network team implements the fix, they notify other teams and the service desk. Service desk agents update all linked tickets simultaneously. The network team creates a postmortem documenting exactly what happened, and runbook generation turns the resolution steps into a standardized procedure for the future. This is the true power of SolarWinds AI at work every day for our customers. It detects problems faster, reduces noise, guides your team to the root cause, automates communication and documentation, and even optimizes queries so the same issue doesn't happen again. All of this is available now in the SolarWinds products you know and love.
As you can see, SolarWinds isn't new to AI. We've built a strong foundation of intelligent features across observability, incident response, and service management. This foundation has helped us to accelerate our next set of innovations.
Under the hood, these capabilities share three guiding principles. First, unification, connecting fragmented systems so teams have a single source of truth. Second, proactivity, sifting through historical and real-time data to anticipate issues before they impact services. And third, automation, handling repetitive tasks and streamlining operations so your people can focus on higher value work.
These principles ensure that SolarWinds AI reduces time-wasting noise, amplifies the real signals, and delivers value that matters to you. AI is absolutely everywhere, and it's becoming critical across every part of SolarWinds too, not just in the products we build, but in how we all work every day. We've been testing and adopting new AI tools ourselves to build even more operational resilience into the way we work, from marketing and product to sales and engineering.
We've been finding incredible value in how AI accelerates the work we do every day. We also know many of you have been testing and exploring the reaches of AI across your business, a topic all of us are vastly interested in exploring further. We've invited a customer to come share more of their own personal journey with AI within their business.
So our company is exploring AI. We're taking a slow approach at trying to drive adoption of AI to help users with, email and document editing, as well as leveraging on the service management side. We're wanting to make sure we have the proper guardrails and administration in place to enable us to secure what we're doing with AI and provide the proper tools to the individuals that need them. The biggest advantages that I see to AI as a small business or as any business really is, and I'm going to liken it to when I first started SolarWinds many years ago. I was working in an organization in the early 2000s, needed ways to monitor and do things. I didn't have a huge budget for staff. And I started leveraging these SolarWinds tools at the time I thought was incredibly expensive. And that network performance manager and all the different tools SolarWinds had, I argue to this day, saved me easily 2 to 3 employees of having to hire people. AI, I think, provides the same type of potential. AI has the ability to not only save employees time, real time, as in real productivity time, but it also has the potential to save organizations overhead. Now, it has to be done correctly. It has to be done in a way that it has a strategic objective in what you're trying to accomplish, right? You just can't throw all these AI tools at something and hope something sticks, right? You need to do your research. You need to know what your need is and know exactly the best tool to fill that need. And it will take trial and error. But once you find it, it has the real potential to save businesses real money, not just people real money, but businesses real money on employee headcount and overhead. And I don't want to scare people and think that I'm trying to take jobs away. That's not what I'm saying. But I do believe AI can help businesses be more efficient. And instead of hiring people to fill seats, hiring real talented people, training them, and providing really good culture for them to want to stay in.
Thank you to our longtime customer and Thwack MVP, Jeremy Mayfield, for joining us. We're very excited to announce more new SolarWinds AI capabilities today.
Our enhanced root cause assist for observability is now generally available. It inspects alerts, anomalies, and events to generate concise root cause analysis, identifying the likely source of an alert so teams can start remediating immediately. Early adopters have reported significant reductions in troubleshooting time.
We've expanded our dynamic threshold alerts to consume more metrics, giving customers more flexibility in alert creation.
We're excited to announce the arrival of AI Log Insights. This feature consumes large volumes of log data and outputs concise root cause summaries, insights, and resolutions. No more manual log digging.
In database observability, we're extending the tech preview of AI Query Assist, now slated for general availability in the first half of 2026. It automatically analyzes query patterns and suggests optimal rewrites, cutting runtime and lowering resource costs. We're also introducing incident correlation and service tests to automatically identify collections of related incidents and suggest problem management workflows. Knowledge base generation to build new articles from commonly solved incidents, and data masking to detect and mask sensitive information and tickets, all in the first half of 2026.
While we're very excited about these additions to SolarWinds AI, we have something far bigger to announce today.
Welcome to the future with the SolarWinds AI agent. For the past year, our teams have been developing an agentic AI experience that will eventually power all intelligent experiences across our portfolio, including observability, incident response, and service management. This unified AI will surface wherever AI is doing work in SolarWinds products, so you always know when the system is assisting you. If you're not familiar with this new wave of AI, agentic AI systems act like another team member working alongside you. In their most sophisticated state, they can help you make decisions, have conversations, set goals, and even act autonomously, running triage, optimizing systems, and remediating common issues with as much or as little human intervention as you want. We're thrilled to bring this technology to the SolarWinds platform, grounded in our AI by design principles. Today, we're giving you a sneak peek to the first appearance of the SolarWinds AI agent.
Thank you, Sai. The SolarWinds AI agent takes our AI capabilities to an entirely new level. We'll unleash this technology first in our SolarWinds Observability SaaS offering, which I'll show you now. I start by asking the agent, are there any services that need my attention? The agent understands the intent, queries the telemetry, and builds a report on the fly. Then I choose one of the services with a critical health issue and ask for a comparison of the error ratio between this week and last week. I learn that while the week-over-week deviation isn't large, it's consistently problematic. Now I ask if I have any existing alerts for this service and metric, give direction on how to further enhance the alert, and create a dashboard for this service, all using natural language. The SolarWinds AI agent is context-aware, meaning it can choose the right tools for the situation and the task. When the agent is present alongside your first responders during a critical incident, it provides triage and root cause analysis, preparing the data for the on-call team before they even get online. Let me show you. A new critical incident is created. The agent posts an analysis directly into the channel. It's already gathered diagnostics, identified the suspected root cause, and proposed next steps. A responder can ask follow-up questions or explore deeper analysis. The agent keeps everyone on the same page.
We are really excited about this capability, and our teams are working hard to bring it to you as fast as possible. So you're probably wondering, when will it be released, and for what products?
Well, we're expecting general availability of the SolarWinds AI agent next year, with expansion across as much of our portfolio as possible, including observability SaaS and self-hosted, database monitoring, incident response, and service management. We'd really love your help giving it a try.
The SolarWinds AI agent is entering tech preview in SolarWinds Observability SaaS today. If you're interested in joining the tech preview and providing feedback during the final stages of development, you can sign up with your account manager. If you're watching live, we'll place the link in the chat.
One last thing to mention, because there's something really special about this agent that impacts the future. Sai, can you tell us a bit more?
Absolutely. A brief note on how we built the SolarWinds AI agent. We're embracing and expanding the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, as a key enabler for unleashing agentic AI across our portfolio and integrating into our customers' own AI environments. Think of MCP as the API for agentic AI within SolarWinds. MCP defines how large language models access the right context and how they perform actions safely. It allows us to build and add new capabilities faster, connect products and data together, and even allow our customers to integrate their own agents. For example, a service desk employee could ask the AI agent if there are any known outages detected by SolarWinds Observability, and the agent, leveraging MCP, could fetch that information on its own without the service desk employee needing any knowledge of your hybrid IT environment, reaching out to one or more systems that it's connected to. MCP paves the way for third-party and cross-agent integrations to work seamlessly to produce agentic AI experiences. As MCP matures and its technical details evolve, we want you to know that we're building a scalable, secure foundation for the future. What this framework means for you is investment protection and future-proofing. We know you will always operate in a multi-vendor world. MCP is our commitment to that reality. It's the foundation that will allow our AI to orchestrate and provide a consistent system of resilience across all the tools that you rely on, not just our own. This is a foundational building block for a new way of working. As our systems become more complex, ownership is becoming more decentralized. The you build it, you run it model is no longer just for hyperscalers. It's becoming a reality for all of us. SolarWinds AI agent is a first step in giving these decentralized teams the context and autonomy they need to succeed. Cullen is now going to talk more about where this journey ultimately leads.
We've covered what's available now and what's coming soon. Let me close by pulling the lens back. Our long-term vision is to enable autonomous operational resilience. As workloads and data grow exponentially, it's simply not possible for humans alone to process everything, draw insights, and take action. We see a future where AI augments every layer of the IT stack to deliver near-zero downtime and help organizations meet or exceed their SLAs. The present landscape is already too noisy for humans to sift through, so AI must filter the noise to service what matters. In the coming years, the SolarWinds AI agent will evolve with new capabilities. We're looking at a number of capabilities to prioritize next, such as runbook and script generation. The agent will turn complex incident response playbooks and operational procedures into executable scripts, removing manual overhead. Auto execution of resolution actions. When confidence is high and change windows allow, the agent will execute predefined steps automatically, cutting resolution time from minutes to seconds. Missed SLA forecasting. It will predict when service level agreements are at risk so teams can proactively prevent breaches. Task automation and risk assessment. For service desks, the agent will handle routine tasks like password resets and assess change risk to inform approvals. Workflow and runbook builders. It will auto-generate workflows from documented processes and convert knowledge base articles into digitized runbooks. And reporting and optimization. Natural language report generation and process optimization will streamline operations further. These ideas are part of our internal roadmap and a signal of where we're heading. We draw our inspiration for this from the most powerful operational resilience system ever created, the human brain. And we use this metaphor to capture the essence of how we apply AI effectively to accelerate mean time to detect, mean time to remediate, and mean time between incidents. We're designing our AI system with these metaphors in mind. A digital subconscious to filter noise and accelerate detection. A digital consciousness to guide remediation and accelerate action or resolution. And a digital intuition to predict issues and increase the time between incidents. The future of IT is not just remediation, but true prevention. This analogy is the framework that guides us. It's how we will deliver on the promise we made at the start, to close the resilience gap and deliver true autonomous operational resilience. We have a track record of turning vision into reality, and to us the future is wide open. I'm confident that with SolarWinds AI and the innovations we've shared today, we're on the path to delivering true autonomous operational resilience sooner than you think.
We ship new features continuously, and that's a very inspiring vision for where we're headed. SolarWinds has a robust set of AI capabilities available today across observability, incident response, databases, and service management. The SolarWinds AI agent, our unified agentic AI system built on the MCP framework, is going to move mountains for IT professionals, on call and day-to-day.
So on behalf of our entire team, thank you for attending SolarWinds Day. We can't wait to build the future of operational resilience with you.